Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Samsung account on your iPhone. It's completely free to do and simple as well. So let's get started. So on your phone, first thing is you want to go into your settings. Now from your settings, right up top here, you're going to see Samsung account. So we're going to tap on that. Now if you don't have an account yet, it's going to look like this. And all you have to do is click on forget password or don't have an account. So if I tap on that right here, right, it's going to ask if I want to create a new account. So I'll create account, and then you're going to select, of course, your age. So I'm going to do that, and here you're going to need to go ahead and agree to their terms and condition. You can read through it, special terms and condition, financial notices, and then if you want any of these optional settings, which again you don't have to select, and we're going to hit agree. And then you're going to go ahead and enter your email ID account here. So I'm going to do that. And then you're going to enter a password as well. And then you can put your date of birth, first name, last name, and zip code as well. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out all this information now. Once you enter your email password, and then your first name, last name, and date of birth, and then your zip code as well at the bottom here, you're going to click on create account. And from here on, you're going to go ahead and enter your phone number for verification. So let's go ahead and do that now. Now, once you enter your phone number and your country, you're just going to hit. Now, once you enter your two-factor verification, simply, and then it's going to go ahead and verify you, and we're signed in and ready to go. And then we can get started here with our account. Here, you can update it or you can do it later. It's because once you're signed in, let's go ahead and show you. You can see here that we're signed in here, ready to go with your account. And then you can also set up the additional information. So that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your phones. We'll see you guys next time.